Welcome back guys with the WordPress training next class. I'm here with you. I have opened a site date in Europe. This is live site. I'm not using localhost. Okay, so now we are going to create and work a dashboard, but first of all I need to change my theme logo. So what we'll do, I have opened a 3 websites. Okay, and I will add this link in the source file so you can check there. So for the free logo creating, first of all I click here and write date in Europe and dating site and get start. Then next site I add date in Europe and create logo, and the next I will write here date in and create. So now here this site, you can see we have different type of pages, date in Europe, blah blah, whatever you need. And here also we have, okay, so however which one do you like you can choose. And here also some of the sample created. So I like this one, then I click on this and add. You guys can see this logo. First of all I right click, or however you want you can choose, and I click on save. Okay, here is different prices. Okay, highest website logo, this you can buy, you can free download, you can download free. Okay, I put my name and my email ID, so I send it. Okay, so if I want to save my logo, save as, so we are going to create a WordPress. So I am going to click here and our WordPress class is here, logo. So guys, I already got the data, so I click on Shifa theme and general setting, and next we are going to start on header setting, and I'm going to upload a logo image here, custom image logo, and select a file, and I'm going to choose this, select, save changes and refresh our site. You guys can see here date in Europe, our logo is here. So display site title, or you want to display site title, you can choose display site title. So I'm going to go with the site title. Okay guys, so next I'm on the dashboard, and in dashboard you guys customize your site here, and you can change template here and write your first blog, add an about page, set up your home page, view your site, widgets, menu, down comment, learn. Okay, all the things are here available. You guys can choose. This is your site data analytics. Next we have home and updates. If you click on dashboard you can see home and updates, any update for the themes and plugin, you guys can click and update here for the WordPress also. If you have anything WordPress and theme, reinstall theme, okay, you can update here. Then we have post. In the post menu we have all post, add new, category and tags. So first of all we are going to click on all post, and if you have here published more than 100 and 200 posts, you can see here easily. So now I'm going to add one post here, add new, and I have already one article written, so I'm going to open that article. This is the article, tips starting business 2020. I click title. Okay, then click here in title. Okay, then if your article, or I'm going to click this article and paste it here, copy paste. You guys can see this is article I have pasted. This is the title. Okay, if you come down, then you have post head option, post head cover display, and this is by default. Sidebar option, all leave it like by default. We will go step by step all, but I'm going to leave this one by default. You can see here we have ads option, custom style option, okay, and post head option, and this is for the Shifa theme. And I click on documents, visibility public, publish immediate. Okay, if you click here, you have option private and password protected. If you are going to publish any document or any theory, anything, you guys can do here, publish private and password. Next we have publish immediate, or you can schedule November, December, October, any of year. Here you can change here and you can schedule all the post. Okay, so I'm not going to schedule, like this is automatically they pick. Then we have stick to the top of the block. If this post publish and stick on the top, you have option pending for review, mean you click, it will go to the admin for his review. Then we have link, how link will show, this is the link. Okay, then we have categories, we don't have any categories. If you want to add, put here date in Europe. Then we have next category, mean parent category and sub parent category. You can add new category here. So I click on add, so our category is here added. Then we have tag option. If you want to put here tag, press enter, then put tips for business 2020. Then you need to upload here one image, feature image. I click and I'm going to upload here. So I have already downloaded some free copyright image. I click here startup, such as a feature image. If you want to insert any image in the center, you guys can choose and press enter, and plus here you have image. If you want to add any image, upload. Okay, if you want to upload, you can upload, and if you don't want to upload, you can leave it like that. Then image setting, if you want to add text, you can add text. Then you have advanced option, this additional CS, this one no need. Okay guys, so now I'm going to publish. View post. You guys can see our post is here available. What you will do with the feature image? Okay, I click on that in Europe, and you can see here this is our feature image. Okay, so now I click on dashboard, post. You can see our all post, tag here, category, author, whatever. This post I'm going to delete, it's came in trash. So if I click on edit, again you can do editing anything you want. And again we have here option for the only visibility public. If I click on private, okay, and I came to update, and I'm going to visible here. This is for the admin view only, and mention their private tip. If I click and I want to open another browser here, and I click this link and I came to here, See, this post is not available here because this is private. Okay guys, apologies, but this page requested could not be found, perhaps while searching help. So again I came back and I'm going to change this post as a password protector, and I put password 1234. Then update, and I click on data in Europe, this one protected, click, and this post is protected. They need password, so what type of password? 123, enter, and see, this post is now, we can see what I put, 1234. Okay, you guys can see now our side is okay. So this is the benefit for protected, private, and all the site. Next we have option for the post header, or we have a schedule, and I click on sticky blog and update, and I'm going to click here. I need to upload one another post, so let me check the other post. Sorry for that, I have another post is increasing the value of your home publish. I click, and I'm going to add here, what is this, and I'm going to post another post, add new. Here I have added title, and then I'm going to copy this text, document, choose the category, okay, pending for review, so we are going this for pending for review, so add a tag, so increase home, increase value of home, so I'm going to this all post as a dummy. We are not going to for permanent on my site because I will delete after the training. I'm going to upload an image, so this image search as a feature, then I'm going to add one image in the center, and I click and upload this. Okay guys, then here have other setting for image, large size, width and height you can adjust by yourself. So this is a poster for pending review, and other all option are here, decision, allow comment, and if you don't want to allow comment you can click, and we have Shifa hide post meta, yes or no, hide author information, so I'm going to click here, and you can see here my name, about author, and I'm going to hide meta, no, author information, yes, hide it, hide share button, so in this we have this share button, so I click on hide share button, yes, hide related post. When we click here, we have here one tab is related post, you want to hide, you can hide flag check also box. We have here one box is flag check. Once we posted some more article, you can guys see here. So now I'm going to publish, and you see here related articles, and here no share button, no author bio, okay, but if I click on here, and you see here, or I'm going to click on my side here, and both are here. Now I'm going to a dashboard, and post. You guys can see all the posts are here, and I click this post for pending review. It's not came here. I think I after review I put it update. Okay, so when I click here, okay, so this post I put for tips to starting business, sticky top on the blogger, and now I have published one another post. It should be show upside, but it's go down because I put a sticky. So I'm going to change this one, and I don't want to put on sticky top on the blog and update, and you guys can see this automatically will come up. See this date, it's go up. Okay, so next we have, if I came down, and this all the things, see for more option I have teach. This is for the theme option, not the blogger side. Then we have post head cover layout and display video or embed course, anything. So I'm going to upload here video, then we have audio, slider, Google Map, feature image, and feature lightbox. So first of all I need to upload a video, so I need to have one video. I came on YouTube, so I'm going to click on the business. Okay, profitable business 2019. So I'm going to share, and here is the embed code, and I copy that. I came here video URL, self-hosted video. Okay, put a video URL here, and edit and post and update. Click on visit a site. So this for the tips starting business. So I'm going to click on tips starting business, and this is the embedded video, but it's not shows great. So post at cover, update, click on that. I think something issue with the theme, and this is for the Shifa theme post option. Okay, so I'm going to click this one like that. I think this is the for the this link have error here, so you can see here I put a link and update, and again I'm going to refresh. Now it's okay. If you want to add a video on the top, you can add, same as with the audio, same as with the slider. Okay, if you have slider you can add. Then we have sidebar option. If I click on this post, and sidebar is this side, and if I move, this will move this side. Okay guys, no need sidebar. Click and update, and here you will not find a sidebar. Simple our post. This one you can do by each post. Okay guys, so I'm going to click on a default, and this I'm going to click as a none or by default. Custom style, you want to add color, custom style, and background color is you want to add some color background. Choose image. So here is okay, for example I choose this one. This is for the Shifa theme, and each WordPress theme has different setup settings. So I'm going to select and background you guys can choose here. Okay, repeat text, fix, right, top. So this is what custom style and update. Again I'm going to refresh this site and you guys can see back side we have image and color also change. If I click on these themes is different color. Okay, when you click on this post, okay, this post you have a different color and blue, and you guys can see here our theme style and all the things are here. So next guys, we have ads option. If you want to add here Google Ads, MediaNut, any advertisement, you guys can see add is a separate. So in this video we have covered our post and ad. We are going to click on categories. So here is we have different categories. If you want to add, I'm going to click on edit, and this I'm going to click on date and any word. Okay, so I click on the save update, and if you came on category option, you guys can see our category is updated. If you want to add it, and parent category under the date of word, date in anywhere of the word, and description, and we have Shifa category layout. Same as for the post menu setting, you can do the changes setup, you can choose here. Then we have tag option. You guys can see this is the tags I have added, and count, you can click on count. I'm going to click on the option. This is our recent post, and I click on increasing tips, and we have here two tags. I click on date in Europe. You guys can see date in Europe. Tips is 2020, and we have two tag. I click that one is show here. This is the tag. If you want to add, you can add here a tag like anything you want to add, and click on add new. It will show here. I'm not going to add, so I delete it. Okay guys, so I hope this video will help you how you are going to post your public post or your article, and here is. So thank you for watching. We will meet in next video for the option of custom slider. Custom slide, add new, all the things we will meet in the next video. Continue with me. Stay tuned.